Howdy folks, and welcome back to Pool School. In today's episode, I'm going to tell you why I believe that the Pro Tuff Ultimate Series pool pole is the best and last pool pole and extension pole that you'll ever have to buy. So what do you say we get to it? Alrighty, before we get started, I want to thank you once again for watching this video. Remind you to like it if you do, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already, and please share my channel with everyone you know who owns a pool. Also, don't forget to check out my membership website, poolschooler.com. It's going to come across the screen right here, poolschooler.com. It's full of more exclusive members-only content that will help you save even more money servicing your pool yourself. Alright, so it's been just over a year since I started using the Pro Tuff Ultimate Series 16-foot extension pole. And I got to tell you, there are 4 reasons now that I believe more than ever that this is absolutely the best and last pole you'll ever have to own. So I want to go into those 4 things right now. Okay, first and foremost is Pro Tuff's unlimited free lifetime replacement warranty. That means if any part of this pole breaks or wears out for any reason whatsoever, they will replace it free. If they can't replace the part, they will replace the entire unit itself. It's kind of hard to beat that. Again, this is also if you are a residential pool owner. So for residential pool owners, that's why I say it's the last pole you'll ever have to buy, because you buy it once and you're done. You never have to buy another pole. If you are a pool service professional, they give you a lifetime unlimited 50% replacement warranty. So just keep that in mind. But again, as a residential pool owner, 100% unlimited lifetime free replacement warranty. So it's kind of hard to beat that. Number 2 is the product quality. I got to tell you, this pole is sturdy. Now what's interesting is I used to use the Elliptilock poles. They're very lightweight aluminum, and I was a little concerned about this pole when I first got it because I thought maybe it might be a little too heavy, but it really isn't. It actually is only about 8 ounces heavier than my Elliptilock pole, and so this has really quality construction. It has not dinged or dented or anything. This has got some scuffs on it just from abrasive running it against the side of the pool and things like that, but it has held up great, especially these things. Look, these little holes right here, they haven't worn at all. Typically with a pool pole, those things will wear out, and then your little quick clip will slide out and it doesn't stay in there, or these break, the metal breaks. It's been over a year, and that metal in there is just as sturdy and just as solid as it's always been. So the construction of this product is amazing, and it is well worth the money. And again, with the warranty, it's kind of hard to beat. Item number 3 is the locking mechanism on the extension part of the pole. This is really cool. I've used a lot of friction-based locking mechanisms like the Elliptilocks where you twist, or the friction-based ones where they have a clip and it tightens it up. Those have failed me so many times that when they're open you're not sure and you can't lean on it, which is really dangerous. But this pole, their little locking mechanism, you pinch these 2 tabs right here, pinch them, and you can lower it and it locks into a hole, or you can raise it, it locks into these little holes that lets you take it all the way to 16 feet. And I can tell you this, once it's locked into place, it's locked into place. In my original video I did on this pole, I'll put a link in the video description below this video, you can check it out. The owner of the company actually used the pole to pole vault. Now I wouldn't suggest you do that, but it is a very good thing to have the security of a good lock that doesn't give when you're leaning on it, because you don't want to fall in a pool. And falling in a pool can be very dangerous, so this really helps alleviate that concern at all. Also, with my old Elliptilock pole, I sometimes would twist it right or left and it would lock different ways, but if you twisted it too far, you couldn't remember which way you turned it to lock it. So there have been times when I've twisted it the wrong way and tightened it and tightened it and tightened it, and then it was hard to release it and figure out how to release it the other way. So again, this is easy. Push the buttons, you slide it, it locks in place, and you're done. Push it, the buttons, you slide it, it locks in place, and you're done. This is amazing. And the 4th thing that I really like about this pole, and this is kind of a unique little perk, is this little piece right here. This attachment comes with every one of their poles. It is a male threaded end that turns your pool pole into an extension pole, just using these little quick clips. See that little quick clip right there? Just a standard quick clip. You push those in. I'll show you how it works. Take the end of your pole, slide the end right into it like this. Push these quick clip buttons in. Push the unit in, and it'll click into place. And there you have it. You have an extension pole now that you can attach to a squeegee, a paint roller for those hard to reach places that you don't have to get a ladder to paint. So again, you've got this little extension pole adapter that turns your pool pole into an extension pole. So now you buy one pole, but you've got a pool pole that's got a lifetime warranty, and with this attachment, you've got an extension pole, so you only need to buy one pole for life. And there it is. And that's why I love this pole so much. So there you go, folks. That is my video on why I believe that the Pro Tuff Ultimate Series 16-foot extension pole is the best and last pool and extension pole you'll ever have to own. I hope it made sense. Also, if you decide that you want to buy one of these, I'll put a link in the description below this video. You can click on that link and purchase one yourself. I say it's very well worth it. Again, with a lifetime warranty, quality product construction, this second to none locking mechanism that is super safe and super solid, and also that wonderful extension attachment right there. It's worth the price, and again, lifetime warranty. I hope that made sense. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below this video, or if you want to, you can email me directly. My email will come across the bottom of the screen. It is kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Once again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to check out my membership website, poolschooler.com. And until we meet again, remember to have fun, be safe, and always watch those kids and elderly folk and pets around water. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.